Welcome to Chicago Bulls News, your go-to source for the latest updates on the Windy City's favorite team. We've got you covered with breaking news, trade rumors, and in-depth analysis of everything Bulls. From United Center to the front office, we're bringing you the inside scoop. Hit subscribe and let's talk Bulls basketball. Today, we're diving deep into some intriguing scenarios involving our young core Coby White, Dosunmu, and Patrick Williams. We're going to explore what it might take for the Bulls to consider trading Coby or AO, and we'll also unlock the potential that Patrick Williams brings to the table. Are we on the cusp of greatness, or are there some tough decisions ahead? Let's break it down. Let's start with Coby White. Coby's journey with the Bulls has been an interesting one. Drafted 7th overall in 2019, Coby was brought in to be a key piece of the Bulls' future. We've seen flashes of brilliance from him, those scoring outbursts, his ability to knock down threes, and his speed on the court. But here's the big question: has Coby White truly solidified his place as a cornerstone for this Bulls team? Over the past few seasons, Coby has had to adapt to different roles, from starting point guard to a bench spark plug. And with the emergence of other young talent, like Dosunmu, the dynamics of the team are constantly evolving. Coby's value, both on the court and as a trade asset, has become a hot topic. So, what scenarios might lead the Bulls to consider trading Coby White? First, we need to look at the current construction of the roster. The Bulls have invested heavily in veteran players like DeMar DeRozan and Nikola Vucevic, signaling a win-now mentality. If the front office feels that Coby isn't the best fit alongside these veterans, or if they see an opportunity to bring in a more established star to push the team further in the playoffs, Coby could be part of a package to make that happen. Second, it's all about his fit with the other guards. The Bulls have a crowded backcourt with Lonzo Ball, Zach LaVine, and Dosunmu. If Lonzo returns to full health and AO continues to develop, Coby could find himself struggling to get significant minutes. In this scenario, the Bulls might look to trade Coby while his value is still high, rather than risking a drop in his stock due to reduced playing time. Lastly, there's the financial aspect. Coby is due for a contract extension soon, and the Bulls will have to weigh the cost of keeping him versus the potential return in a trade. If the front office believes they can get a better long-term deal by trading Coby, especially if it involves adding a piece that complements their current core better, it might just be a move they consider. But hold on, trading Coby White isn't a decision that should be taken lightly. His potential upside as a scoring threat and his growth in decision-making are significant factors. We can't forget his ability to get hot and change the momentum of a game single-handedly. It all comes down to how the Bulls view his fit and whether they believe he's the right piece moving forward. Next up, let's talk about Dosunmu, the Chicago native who has quickly won the hearts of Bulls fans. AO's rookie season was nothing short of impressive. Drafted in the second round, AO wasn't expected to make a huge impact right away, but he defied the odds with his defensive tenacity, basketball IQ, and ability to step up in crucial moments. But now that AO has proven his worth, the Bulls find themselves in an interesting situation. As much as fans love AO, the business side of basketball sometimes forces teams to make tough decisions. So, what scenarios might lead the Bulls to consider trading AO? First, let's consider the Bulls' long-term backcourt situation. As we mentioned earlier, the Bulls have Lonzo Ball, Zach LaVine, and Coby White already in the mix. If Lonzo returns to full strength and Coby continues to develop, AO could end up in a logjam for minutes, especially if the Bulls are committed to giving Coby an extended role. The front office might decide that AO's value on the trade market could net them a player or draft pick that better fits their long-term vision. Second, AO's contract situation could play a role. He's still on a rookie deal, which makes him an attractive trade asset for other teams. If the Bulls receive an offer that's too good to pass up, say, a package involving a talented young big man or a future first-round pick, they might have to weigh the benefits of keeping Ao versus maximizing his trade value. But let's be real, Ao Dosunmu isn't just any player, he's a hometown hero. Trading him would be a tough pill to swallow for Bulls fans, especially considering his potential to develop into a key piece of the team's future. His defense, poise, and work ethic are qualities that you don't find every day, and he embodies the grit and determination that Bulls fans love. The front office would need to carefully consider the long-term impact of trading Ao, both on and off the court. In any case, Ao's future with the Bulls is something to keep an eye on. Whether he remains in Chicago or is moved in a trade, his journey in the NBA is just beginning, and there's no doubt he's going to be a player to watch. Now, let's switch gears and talk about Patrick Williams, the player who might just hold the key to the Bulls' future. Drafted 4th overall in 2020, Patrick Williams was seen as a raw prospect with tremendous upside. Fast forward to now, and the Bulls are still waiting for him to fully unlock that potential. So, what's holding Patrick back? And more importantly, how can the Bulls get the most out of him? First, let's address the elephant in the room: Patrick's consistency. We've seen flashes of brilliance from him, especially on the defensive end. He has the physical tools to be a lockdown defender and a versatile player who can guard multiple positions. But offensively, there have been times when Patrick seems hesitant or unsure of his role. This lack of aggression has been a point of concern, especially when the Bulls need him to step up as a scoring option. The key to unlocking Patrick's potential might lie in his mindset. Patrick needs to embrace his role as a key contributor on both ends of the floor. The Bulls coaching staff has been vocal about wanting Patrick to be more assertive, and that's something he'll need to work on if he's going to take the next step in his development. The good news is, Patrick is still young, and players often take a few years to fully develop their game. The potential is there, it's just a matter of bringing it out consistently. Second, the Bulls need to put Patrick in situations where he can succeed. That means finding the right balance between letting him play through mistakes and providing the guidance he needs to grow. Whether it's giving him more opportunities to handle the ball, encouraging him to take more shots, or putting him in different positions on the floor, the coaching staff has a crucial role to play in his development. In the end, the Bulls' success might hinge on whether they can unlock Patrick Williams' potential. If he can develop into the player many believe he can be, the Bulls could be looking at a bright future with him as a key piece. So, Bulls Nation, there you have it, a deep dive into the potential trade scenarios involving Coby White and Ao Dosunmu, and a closer look at how the Bulls can unlock the potential of Patrick Williams. The next few seasons are going to be critical for this team, and the decisions made by the front office could shape the future of the franchise. What do you think? Should the Bulls consider trading Coby or Ao? And how do you see Patrick Williams developing in the coming years? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Chicago Bulls news and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Go Bulls!